P3 Binomial Expansions, lecture number 2. Today we will begin with partial fractions and binomial expansions. One of the most common reasons for splitting a fraction into partial fractions is so that binomial expansions can be applied. Now we will learn two very important expansions for power minus 1 which are used in partial fractions only. These expansions are: number 1, 1 plus x whole power minus 1. Number 2, 1 minus x whole power minus 1. We will use alternate signs to expand the first expansion. 1 minus x plus x power 2 minus x power 3 plus x power 4 minus and so on. Whereas we will use positive signs. All signs must be positive in the second expansion. 1 plus x, x power 2, x power 3, x power 4 and so on. These two results can easily be proved through the binomial theorem. Important things regarding these two expansions: when we have plus sign between the terms, like in expansion 1, then we expand the terms with alternate signs. The signs must be in alternative way. In second expansion, we have negative sign between the terms, therefore all signs must be positive. This is the way to learn these two expansions. These two expansions are only valid when the power of the expansion is negative 1. If the power of the expansion is not minus 1, then you cannot use these two results. Examples of these two expansions: since the power of the expansion is minus 1 in example number 1, therefore we can expand this expansion with the help of the rule we just did. Rule number 1. By using rule number 1, we have 1 minus 3x upon 2 power 1 plus 3x upon 2 power 2 minus 3x upon 2 power 3 and so on. I mean, the signs must be in alternative way. The signs are alternative. Just simplify this and this would be the final answer. 1 minus 3x upon 2, 9x square upon 4, 27x cube upon 8. That's it. That's the answer of the first expansion. Now we can expand the second expansion with the help of the rule number 2. According to rule number 2, we have to expand this expansion with all positive signs. The signs of all the terms must be positive according to rule number 2. This is the way to expand the second expansion. Now get the simplified form. 1 plus 3x upon 2, 9x square upon 4, 27x cube upon 8. That's the final answer of this expansion. Expansion number 2. Let us solve the questions of partial fractions and binomial expansions. Given p of x in its partial fraction form, the question is expand p of x up to and including the term in x square. Before using binomial expansion in this p of x, make sure the first term of the expansion must be 1 in each and every expansion. Since the first term is not 1 in the second expansion, so we have to make it 1. Let's see how to make it 1. We have to take 2 common from the denominator of the second expansion. Therefore we have 6, 1 plus x square upon 2. Now we can expand this expansion. Now we have this expansion 2 upon 3, 1 minus x, and the second expansion. Now to expand both the expansions, we have to bring the denominator into numerator, because we apply binomial theorem in numerator when the expansion is in numerator. So always need to bring the expansion in numerator. As now we can apply binomial theorem in both the expansion. Since the powers of both the expansion is -1, therefore we can easily use the rules for negative power, -1 power. We have to use rule number 2 in the first expansion. It will become 2/3. According to rule number 2, we have to expand this with all positive signs. This is the simplified form, the expanded form of the expansion number 1. Now we have to use rule number 1 for the second expansion, since we have positive sign between the terms. So by using rule number 1, we have 1 minus x upon 2 whole power 1, then plus x power 2 upon 2 whole power 2, and so on. Since we need the terms till x square, therefore we have to ignore the higher powers, meaning we have to ignore the third term in the second expansion, because it will become x power 4. We don't need this term, therefore we have to ignore this. Let's simplify these two expansions. So we have 2/3 plus 2/3x plus 2/3x square, copy 1/6, and you need to multiply only the selected terms in the second expansion. I mean, you need to multiply those terms which will give you your requirement. You need to multiply 2x with 1 only, because if you will multiply 2x with x square upon 2, it will become x cube, which is not required. So don't waste time and just multiply the selected term. So I'm multiplying 2x with 1 only. I'm not multiplying 2x with the second term, because it will become x cube, and which is not required. But I have to multiply the second term, which is -1, with both the terms, because it will give -1 and x square upon 2. I mean, x square is our requirement. Now simplify this step and get the final answer. The final answer is 1/2 plus x plus 3/4 x square. We have done this example number 1. Now we'll do example number 2 for like binomial, partial and binomial theorem. This is example number 2, and we have to expand p of x up to and including the term in x square. Let's start the solution. The question is expand p of x up to and including the term in x square. Answer. Before starting this question, first we need to make the first term 1 in the last fraction here. So the last expansion will be 2 1 plus 3x upon 2. Therefore we have -3 upon 2, 1 plus 3x upon 2 power -1. Now we can expand p of x. In this question, we should be careful about the powers of the expansions. I was telling you before, while expanding these expansion, you should be careful regarding the powers. I mean, here is power -2, here is power -1. You can use the rule here in the first expansion and in the last expansion, but you cannot use the rule, direct rule of expanding the expansion here. Here you have to use the theorem, factorial form. As now we should expand the expansion, the first expansion, with the help of the rule number 1. This is the expanded form of the expansion 1. I use the rule number 1 for the expansion number 1. Now for expansion number 2, I have to use the theorem, which is 1 minus 2 means n upon 1 factorial, and x, which is the second term, with power 1, then -2 n minus 1 over 2 factorial, x to the power 2. We have expanded the second expansion successfully. Now we have to expand the last expansion, but with the help of the rule number 1. So it would become 1 minus 3x upon 2 plus 3x upon 2. The signs should be in alternate way. So we have expanded all three expansions. Now we just need to simplify them, but simplify them with care. Do this carefully. Now we have 1 minus x plus x square to 1 minus 2x plus 3x square, the simplified form of the second expansion, and the simplified form of the last expansion is minus 3 upon 2 plus 9 upon 4x minus 27x square over 8. Now the final answer of px will be 3 upon 2 minus 11 upon 4x plus 29 upon 8x square. That's the final answer of this question. This chapter is over. You all need to practice the question from worksheet or practice book or past papers to become very good at this chapter. Allah Hafiz. Do maximum number of questions of partial fractions, binomial expansions to be very good at this topic. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.